And such a great night, Laylatul Qadr, was removed from the knowledge of Rasul sallallahu alayhi wasallam. And there are various qisas of such a nature, various stories, where this unity, my beloved brothers and sisters, brings about the wrath of Allah. We should rather work and look at what we have in common amongst one another. Sadly, the reality is that what I look at is the 2, 3, 4 things that disunites us, or 2 or 3 or 4 things that we disagree on. And then I become fixated on just those 3 or 4 things, to the extent that then I have blinkers on. I can't even any longer see any good or positive from the next person because we do not agree upon these 2 things. Do you forget that there's 100, 1,000 other things that you agree on? So my beloved brothers and sisters, one of the